Welcome to Pure Octane Garage, where we cover all kinds of automotive stuff.
Right, like detailing stuff today, right?
Yes, we're gonna do an unboxing.
Ooh, what are we on?
Wait. Let me rephrase that. We're gonna do an unwrapping.
An unwrapping?
Yes.
Let's see it. What we got?
All right, here we go.
Oh, present.
Santa came early.
It is that time of year now. All right, Ryan. I say we just open this up and show everybody what it is, right?
Yeah. Wow, check this box out.
We got some atoms. Well, we know that's detailing.
Oh.
So
Got a little shine there. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness.
it's got some weight to it, right?
It does. There's definitely some stuff in here.
Hey, we got a text too. Cool.
Yeah. You know, it's good to be texted.
All right, open it up.
Ready? Here we go.
That's
The
so
slow. What if it's upside down?
Oh no, it's
Woohoo!
not. Ooh, there it is. Look at that.
Oh, check that out. Just take in that goodness.
Yeah.
Adams Polishes like holiday box.
It's the holiday kit.
Or
yeah.
what do they call it? Do you know? Do we know? We don't know.
We
it's
will-
it's
we
a
will
box
check.
of holiday goodness.
Yeah.
And don't forget to check out, if you haven't seen our Adams
Fall collection.
the fall collection unboxing.
Yeah, say four
Whoa.
chemicals, but four different chemicals. Well, four mostly different chemicals.
Yeah,
come out,
yeah.
So
Well,
got a little different collection here. They always have a detail spray in their collection.
oh yeah.
You know what I'm trying to say. I can't get the words out of my
The
mouth.
detail spray. I mean, you can't have enough detail spray in my opinion.
You're gonna use it. Claying, shining, polishing, quick
You
clean
know,
up.
light removal of dust.
Yeah. So what's it say? That one is.
I'm gonna hand it over to you.
Okay, and so we can share with you guys the detail spray. Gingerbread, as we got up here on Adam Stuff Dad. Gingerbread House detail spray. Nice
Gingerbread
red color.
house.
So
Okay.
we figured out that the name goes by what's on the label, not necessarily the smell.
Okay.
So we've got.
So-
we will touch on scents later.
Yeah. So stick around because we'll let you know
We're just gonna look at the labels for now,
the fragrance of each of these
and you know you want to know that.
because they're always something unique.
Exactly, and it's fun, and generally they're pretty spot on. Only sometimes they're terrible, like iron remover. So we got the gingerbread here. So we'll put
Okay,
that
I'm gonna
there.
grab this one. It looks like an ugly sweater.
Yes. So
Holiday interior detailer.
there it is. You're right. Ugly sweater.
That is a really cool label. I'm kind of I like good packaging and labels, and this one's pretty cool
Yeah.
looking. I don't know why. It's not ugly to me. I would wear that sweater.
You wear that sweater.
Not while detailing though. Can you imagine
Sweaters
how
and
warm that would
detailing.
be?
Yeah. Okay, there's our mystery box. So they call it the Adams Holiday Box Set, real quick. I didn't want to get it wrong. I had an idea, but Adams Holiday Box Set.
Okay, so we've talked about these
Two
two.
detailers.
Yeah.
And those are the two. They always include
Yeah.
an interior and exterior detailer.
But you know you go
use
through
them.
a lot of that. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
These are the newer ones that usually aren't in a collection. What do you got?
And we've got like a Christmas tree on this one.
That's right. That one is the Holiday Tree Odor Neutralizer.
Odor Neutralizer.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So that's for your stinky cars.
Okay, this one is got like a snow globe on it with a
Yep.
snowman and
Snow Globe Megaphone.
you
You know you want it, does
megaphone.
that.
Cool.
We actually have not bought Megafoam yet,
No.
so this will be good.
We've only used their regular shampoo
Car shampoo and the Ultra Foam.
and the ultra foam, right?
So
right.
we've been excited. To
And those
use
are
this
good
one.
products, but yeah, we haven't used the megaphone, and I do like the
I
foam.
think that could use a review in the future.
Yep. So stay tuned. We'll definitely
We'll play with the Megafoam.
show that for sure. Cool.
All right, so that's your 4 items, and of course you get 4 sprayers or 3 sprayers. You don't need one for that one. But yeah,
Wait,
spray,
here.
gotta show them sprayers. Packing paper is always good.
We got
1, 2, 3,
oh yeah.
and a really cool box actually.
This box is pretty dang cool. Because
think-
again, I'm a packaging nerd.
And I know we're kind of newer to Adams, but I'm pretty sure the old school labels have the Corvette on there, right?
Yes,
You had some
I
old
had some
models, right?
older Adams products, and they
Yeah.
definitely did.
All right, Ryan, briefly, before we get to the smells and what these smell like, we thought we'd briefly talk about the labels and what's on them. So sweater interior, ugly sweater interior detailer.
Or you could use it to detail your ugly sweater.
We could try that.
No. I don't think they.
It would add UV protection. It says to your sweater. Interior detailer, pretty straightforward. Keeps almost like a dressing, cleaner and dressing in one, but it's not nasty, shiny, you know. But it says it got UV blocking agents, and it says odor neutralizers. Actually, it does have the normal one does have kind of a smell.
So it cleans and neutralizes some of the odor.
Yeah, probably just not as strong as the actual odor.
Yeah, I would guess that's more concentrated.
Used on dash door panels, shifters, leather seats, etc. Removes light dust, fingerprints, smudges, and dirt, and anti-static additives minimize more dust building up. And it's easy to use. You spray it on, wipe it off with a microfiber. You know, so there you go. That's real easy. That's easy for that one. Moving on.
As far as the, I guess I grabbed. You know what? I'd like to go over to the neutralizer. Here's the megaphone.
Stick with the odor neutralizer.
Yeah. So let's see. Where should I start?
There's a lot of stuff on that label.
It really has a lot. It says Adam's odor neutralizer is an effective way to remove unwanted, stubborn odors that can build up in the interior of your vehicle over time.
Okay. That happens. That happens.
This formula is safe for use on fabric and carpeted areas on a weekly basis.
Oh, okay.
Huh.
You know what that's for? Uber Eats drivers.
Right?
Ew.
Eliminates odors rather than masking the scent. It says that you lightly mist and allow to air dry, and does not leave any shine. So that's good, because I know, like, you and I both agree that we don't like the shiny interior.
Don't like shiny, yeah. I like to keep it matte.
Exactly. Plus on a dash to be shiny, that works crazy.
And I'm gonna say, and I haven't used that smell or that particular bottle, but the standard odor neutralizer works really well.
Okay.
I've used it, and I've actually used it. There's another way, and I think it's on the label. You turn on the HVAC in the car,
and you kind of let it
just kind of spray that down underneath the dash and let it circulate through the HVAC system. It gets rid of that kind of moldy smell. Sometimes you get that mildewy smell. Works really well on that too. So.
Cool. What else we got?
Let's go back to regular detail spray, exterior detail spray. Its slick high gloss gives nearly any finish a just wax look. 110% guaranteed to blow your socks off, not your underwear. And the scent will put a smile on your face while you're wearing your underwear.
The label made me smile.
See? Come on. All right, so safe on paint, glass, chrome, fiberglass, plastic, aluminum, etc. And you can use this to remove dust, light dirt, fingerprints, and boost protection.
Oh, interesting.
Good to know. So on top of any sealant, I guess, you throw this on there. Actually, I've done that. Works really well as a topper. Aids in the drying process, maintains a just detailed look and feel. Excellent for use as a lubricant for Adam's Visco clay bar or any clay bar of your choosing. Yep. And we do use it for that.
We do.
So the one thing really cool about this I didn't know, and I think I touched on a little bit there for aiding in the drying process. Mm-hmm. You can use it as a drying aid while your car is wet. Spray this on there, helps you. If that's a method that you like to use, it'll help you out. And it even says, for use when washing, after vehicle has been rinsed and still wet, mist each panel and glass. Use a clean Adams Great White Microfiber Drying Towel to dry vehicle completely. Or it tells you kind of how to use it with the clay bar. That's pretty straightforward. And then obviously as a regular exterior detailer.
Cool. Yeah, I like the idea of using that as a drying aid. Yeah. Because every now, that way you eliminate any chances of water spots.
Especially when it's warm out.
Yes.
Or windy.
Exactly, when the surface is drying pretty quickly on its own. And then lastly, we have the Megafoam, which we haven't used yet. We've only
no experience with that one.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Is our most concentrated pH neutral soap. Adam's Megafoam is designed for use in a foam cannon or foaming accessory to provide thick pillows of foaming lubrication to your wash surface. Adam's Megafoam prevents spotting even when washing in direct sun.
And we've noticed there are other soaps that
it does
do
help
well in the sun if you have to.
Use with Adam's Foam Cannon for best results.
Of course, use the Adam's Foam Cannon.
It says safely removes dirt, pollen, soot, and other contaminants. Bird poops.
Ew.
Does not remove wax or sealants or dry out plastic and rubber.
Good.
I like that.
And it's good that they notate that, because
It says creates a huge amount of thick, clinging foam with a foam cannon setup.
sweet.
Only requires 1 to 2 ounces to generate thick foam.
That's not very much.
No, not at all. 1 to 2 ounces.
That'll last.
Yeah, for sure. And that's pretty much the basic label. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the mega foam.
All right, Ryan, let's smell these things.
All right.
We're gonna start with the ugly sweater interior detailer. Tell me what you're feeling. And we'll look it up here.
Ooh, it's nice.
Cinnamony.
It is.
I'm getting a little bit
very holiday spice.
Yeah.
Holiday spices.
Okay. Adam's website says that's grandma's cookies scent.
Okay, so more like a spice cookie,
Yeah.
not like a sugar cookie. It's more
No,
like a
definitely a
gingerbread
spice.
cookie almost in a way.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I agree. Gingerbread. Yeah, very spicy.
It does smell very good.
It smells good.
And now I want cookies. Thanks.
All right. The exterior detailer, which is what the gingerbread house. Obviously not going to smell like gingerbread. That was that one.
Yeah, because they're not matching the label.
Ooh. That's more sugar cookery. Sugar cookie to me. But let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
Yeah. Wow, it smells like frosting.
We got it. Sugar cookie scent.
Really?
Right on. That's right on.
Oh,
Obviously.
yeah, it does. It smells like sugar cookies with frosting.
Yeah.
Here, check it out.
That smells good.
And check out that color. It's like an opaque red. So weird.
That's cool.
Oh, this one's.
It'll make your car smell
I'm
like
really
that.
hungry and I want some holiday treats now.
I like that one. That's spot on sugar cookie smell.
Yeah, wow.
Good job.
That is amazing. Let's
All right.
check out the mega foam. Okay.
All right.
Don't want to mega drop it all over myself.
Uh-oh, stumped.
I'm stumped. It's a very clean smell.
It almost looks like Dawn. Or whatever.
I cannot come up with what that smells
Oh.
like. I have no idea. It's a pleasant smell.
Yeah, it's... you got me too. I'm almost like want to say... I get a tad bit of citrus, but not. Snow Globe Mega Foam. Orange cinnamon roll scent.
Okay, I definitely get the orange.
I don't know if I get cinnamon too
I
much.
really don't get any sort of...
Cinnamon roll.
No.
I kind of get the orange with a chase of something.
Yeah.
But I can't put my pin... I can't pinpoint it.
But that's interesting. Orange cinnamon roll. And then we have the Odor Neutralizer.
That one's important on the smell.
It is.
'Cause that's going
It
to
is
stick
because
around.
this is all about
That's what it's
eliminating odors and then leaving a pleasant scent behind, I would assume.
Right.
Okay.
It does. Now the regular odor neutralizer, you'll smell it for a week or so, and then it does wear off.
And then it
but
dissipates.
but the odor is gone, and then the dissipation of the
Woo!
strong
Yes, it is. It is.
medicine.
Wow.
Well, it's gonna neutralize something.
It's here. I'm not gonna say what I think it is until you check it out.
Oh wow. It smells like mouthwash.
Minty, right?
Oh yeah, Listerine.
Yeah.
Kind of. Ooh, that's strong. Okay, we're checking the website. That's
it's
very
strong.
very strong.
But it's not like a regular mint. It's
No. Candy cane scent is what Adam
Okay.
says. I get it.
it is a little. Yeah, I can see the little
It's definitely candy cane.
pepperminty.
Yeah.
Not quite, in my opinion.
I get more of a mouthwashy.
Yeah, I'm getting a mouthwash
Personally.
mint
Yeah.
more than a candy
Candy
cane peppermint.
But I can see where they're going with that.
Right? Candy canes are peppermint, right?
Yeah. Peppermint candy canes. But hey, good smell. I think my favorite, I'm going sugar cookie.
Oh yeah. If I could, I would.
You drink
I would
it.
drink
I know
it.
you
I
drink
would,
it.
but do not consume these.
No, so don't drink the sugar cookies.
But it is. They're very very pleasant smells, and it's always fun when you're working with these products, like the Mega Foam and or like a foam, and you spray it and you can smell that scent. It's kind of
Yeah,
neat.
and it changes. So that way you get to change it up when you're using them. I got my regular, my holiday, my Cinco de Mayo, my...
Right.
Everything's covered.
Adams does a great job with their special edition products.
Oh yeah.
The labels are beautiful. The odors are great. It's neat. It keeps it kind of fresh.
They love you making ways to open your wallet.
That's right.
Yeah. Smart.
Because we did it.
Yeah. Duh.
And again, they're good products though.
They are. They work great and they smell good too. So what the heck. All right, guys. So we hope you liked that video. So what do we want them to do? If they did,
like, subscribe,
ring the bell, and share. Right?
Share. Yeah. Share with your friends
and share your experiences. Hey, maybe you got some too.
Yeah. Let us know what you think about these.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Later.
See you later. Later, Gator.
Later, Tater.
After what?
Happy holidays.